Yeah. Ah.
And on the beat.
Turn into a witness. Now you fighting the ops and the sins. So I stay close and track. Gotta keep my people from lagging. Start out there, you gotta tell them I love them and keep that blick up in your car. I stay inside cause the streets ain't safe. They say the real person dies. Tell them go to sit. My casket go low. I stay inside cause the streets ain't safe no more. They say the real person died. Tell them go to sit. My casket go low.
Man, shout out to Fredo, man. Meet you in Durango. Subscribe, man. New content coming soon, man. Subscribe, man. Y'all like them yellow, drop a comment. Let me know what you think about them yellow, seatbelt covers, man. Man, rest in peace and fine, man. Shout out to Fredo, man. Look at them new headlights, man. Them bitches hard. Where my keys at, man? Let me find my keys, y'all. I'ma fuck you up your socks. Life like fancy shots.
She say, come fuck me like you used to. I say, don't let you fuck me like you used to. She say, come fuck me like you used to. I say, don't let you fuck me like you used to. So good, I spend my savings. She never do all your pay.
This is how my day going, man. Get the headlights put on. Now we getting towed. Yo, what's the deal, y'all? Meet you in Durango. I actually wasn't gonna make this a video, man. This wasn't supposed to be like this is supposed to be a little quick, little 5-minute video, show y'all the headlights, show y'all the new headlights, show y'all my boy my boy Art, show y'all his little sound system. That's all this was supposed to be. But as y'all can see, you know, life don't never work out how you plan it. And so my car is doing this weird shit right now, and it's like a recall on it, and I already found out about it, and the recall's already been fixed, but then they recalled the recall. So anyways, I ain't gonna make this a super long video. I just want to show y'all what my car is doing so y'all can actually, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause this shit, I ain't gonna lie, at this point, man, I ain't gonna lie, I'm pretty much I'm looking for a second vehicle, man. Yeah, I sold the Durango. I shouldn't have did that, but I'm gonna be getting a second vehicle because, man, stuff be happening with this car, and it's my only vehicle. And yeah, man, you know, I'm gonna show y'all what it's doing real quick. All right, y'all. So this is the key in my hand. You know, we got the push to start. Yeah, there we go. So this is the key, right? So when I push the button, the car is supposed to start. This is what it's doing. Common problem. That's what my car's doing, y'all. Tell me that ain't the most whole ass shit y'all have never seen. Tell me that ain't some bullshit, man. Like, all I want to do is, I ain't even gonna get frustrated, man. I was about to start, you know, go on a little rant, but I ain't gonna do that. Yeah, man. So enjoyed this video, man. Showing y'all me getting these headlights put on, showing y'all my car fucking up. This wasn't supposed to happen, man, but it did. So I picked up my camera and I was like, man, you know what? When I realized what was happening and my shit ain't starting, I was like, man, my subscribers, I've been getting a lot of new subscribers. They deserve to see this, man, because, you know, a lot of people online try to make everything always seem like it's so perfect and ain't nothing wrong, but I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I'm gonna keep it all the way funky with y'all, man. My shit is not starting. Me and the Durango ain't got no Durango right now. I can't even get this bitch started, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all again too, so y'all know I ain't bullshitting. What happens when I try and start it? Shit vibrating, shaking. I'm probably fucking my shit up. I'm probably fucking my ignition coils, or I'm fucking something up, but I keep constantly doing that. But I ain't gonna do it no more. I'm just showing y'all what the deal is, man. I just went and got some brand new headlights put in. My boy Art put them in for me. He looked out, and now my boy Art, I'm waiting on him to come over, and he got to get the car back running, man. He said he thinks it's the crankshaft sensor and the camshaft sensor. The crankshaft and the camshaft sensor. So those are two common things with this truck. Another thing common is the fuel pump relay that be going out, but that already got fixed. And yeah, man, this ain't gonna be no super long video. I just had to give y'all an update, man. I had to let y'all know what's been going on with your boy. I've been working. I started a new job. You know, all the good stuff, man. You know what I'm saying. Everything ain't good, but I'm gonna try and just make it as good as I can. You feel me? So anybody that's new, that, you know, this is your first time seeing one of my new videos, please tell everybody you know to subscribe. I'm really trying to I'm trying to get on, man. Look at my daughter. Upside down glasses. You crazy, mama. That's my baby, y'all. That's my baby. But yeah, man, we trying to get on with this YouTube stuff, man. I'm trying to prove my haters wrong and show everybody that, you know, this can be done. This YouTube stuff can be done. There's not really much to it besides having content and just being good at what you do. So I ain't been uploading a lot, but I promise I'm gonna get back on it. Life is just happening right now. I can't really control that, but if you still staying tuned and you still watching me, it's all love. I think the heart is on this side of the chest. Yeah, it's all love, man. And yeah, man, whenever Art get here, whenever my mechanic get over here and get my shit fixed, I might show y'all that. I might not. I might just get to the end of the video. But hey, anyway, either way, thank you for watching. I'm Meech in the Durango, and we'll catch y'all when we catch y'all. All right? All right, y'all. So 5 hours later, this guy right here, he's the man. He figured my shit out, man. Listen, anybody having a problem with your Durango doing what mine was doing? Crankshaft sensor, camshaft sensor. Any car doing what my car was doing, go back, rewind the video, and see what my shit was doing. My boy Art is the fucking man. And he got me together, man. $15 part, another $20 part. It was about $38 altogether out the door. But this got my shit back running. And y'all see the new headlights looking nice and good. And it's all thanks to my boy right here. So yeah, man, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you for watching. We'll catch y'all on the next one.